Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish pate. First, gather your fresh fish, like salmon or mackerel, along with softened butter, cream cheese, and your favorite seasonings. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best blending consistency. Have your food processor or blender ready to go for the next steps. Next, gently poach or steam your chosen fish until it's perfectly flaky and cooked through. A light seasoning of salt and pepper before cooking enhances its natural flavor. Once cooked, it's crucial to let the fish cool completely. This step prevents the butter and cream cheese from melting prematurely when you blend everything together. Now for the fun part, blending. Place your cooled, cooked fish into the food processor with the softened butter and cream cheese. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, your favorite fresh herbs like dill or chives, and any other spices you desire. Process until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. Finally, transfer your delicious fish pate to a serving dish and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the pate to firm up. Before serving, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley. It's perfect with crackers or crusty bread. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.